Welcome to this video. Today we are excited to give you an overview of our curation and content creation system. We're starting with Singapore as our primary location, and we'll be particularly focusing on the Civic District neighborhood. Our mission is to find and recommend the best coffee and fine dining places in the area. And there are two different types of searches in the demo, geospatial and editorial. Geospatial searches focuses on specific areas based on latitude and longitude. And editorial searches, on the other hand, look for blogs, travel guides, and more for the entire city. As you observe the system executing different searches, you can see places being identified and either accepted or rejected based on our scoring algorithm. The algorithm considers overall ratings, the number of mentions in blogs, for example, and how well a place fits within our guide. So for instance, if we're recommending fine dining restaurants, the candidates must not only have high ratings, but also be a perfect match for fine dining. In this demo, we're searching sequentially. That's just to make it clearer. But our system can usually run 50 to 100 searches in parallel, so we can find a lot more places in a shorter period of time. So the system identifies a wealth of information for each place, and that is used to generate a comprehensive listing in the next step. So these listings are organized by guides, and we can see here we have the unique dining experience and the ultimate caffeine fix guide. And this is also where the searches originate. So we're essentially looking for candidates that fit with the objective of the guides. So just looking into a guide details, and we can see here the listing candidates, some are still pending, and some have already been published. So let's have a look at an example of a completed listing that's been automatically published. And a standout feature of our system is the ability to identify the best images available for each place. So every image is assessed for quality and content, and that's how we ensure that we have the best possible representation on our platform. And the scoring allows us to rank each image based on its quality and best match. We also generate text attributes based on data gathered from related websites and user reviews. And you will also see that we have personalization settings that are incorporated. These attributes help us match the listings and guides with each user based on their stated preferences, and also recorded interactions such as clicks and views. So let's just have a look at how a guide and listing appears on our hosted web application. And so you can see here, obviously, all of the text attributes, the images, and so on that we have generated as part of the listing creation process. Additionally, the guide and listing data can be accessed via an API. So that makes it quite versatile. You can use it in any front-end application, web application, mobile, or even as input to AI agents in a RAG workflow. So thank you for watching this overview of our curation and content creation system. We hope you found it insightful. Stay tuned for more updates and feel free to explore our platform.